Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the not so glamorous symptoms of being pregnant, and that is hemorrhoids. So I experienced hemorrhoids during my pregnancy. I'm now 38 weeks and I did get rid of them. So I'm going to talk about what hemorrhoids are, signs and symptoms, why you get them when you're pregnant, and how to get rid of them, because I did get rid of mine, and also what my doctor recommended. So first off, hemorrhoids can appear in the form of blood in your bowel movement or blood when you wipe. It can also be if you have a painful bowel movement or itching, burning situation when you poo, which is what I experienced. I had a very painful bowel movement, and then I was just really uncomfortable there, and I actually had blood when I wiped, and my fear was that I was getting hemorrhoids because I had read that's a common symptom for pregnant women. And when I took a look in the mirror, down there, without getting too graphic, there was what almost looked like a popped out vein. And so I was very concerned about not only keeping the area clean, but also getting rid of this, because when you go into labor, you're experiencing even more pressure down there and more of a strain, which could make an already hemorrhoid even worse. So you get these when you're pregnant because you might be constipated, you've got the pregnancy hormones, you have a lot more pressure on your rectum, and you have increased blood volume. So this is just the perfect storm for getting hemorrhoids. Now, I'm going to tell you what I did that actually worked for me, and all of the things that you can do to treat hemorrhoids, including what my doctor recommended. So she said hemorrhoids are very common. She said don't go running for the preparation H at the store. That is mainly made for people that have reoccurring hemorrhoids, not hemorrhoids from pregnancy. She recommended stool softener, the butt paste that you're going to get for your baby to soothe the diaper rash, and of course drink lots of water and eat lots of fiber and be physically active. Now, physically active, water and fiber I was already doing, so I didn't really have to change anything there. But what I did do, and some of the treatments I found online really did work for me. So one of those things was using a baby wipe to wipe. This is very soothing, it's disinfecting, it's moist, so it lets things slide, and it just gives you a better clean down there. So the baby wipes I kept using until my hemorrhoids were completely gone, instead of using dry toilet paper. Of course, you don't want to flush these down the toilet or you'll create a clog. Kegels strengthen your muscles in that area, and for some reason I felt this was very soothing for me when I was experiencing pain and burning down there. It just felt like it sucked everything back in. So I do Kegels 10 reps every time I think of it. It's not as routine as it should be, but I did notice that my Kegels helped subside my hemorrhoids. In addition to that, and this one may be obvious, don't strain when you poo. So every time I'm going to the bathroom, it's like I'm not someone that takes a magazine in there with me. I want to get in, out, on the go. So I'm in a rush, and you just can't do that if you want to prevent having hemorrhoids. So if you feel the urge to go, relax, take your time, let it go naturally. If it doesn't come, instead of pushing, wait and revisit the bathroom later. With that being said, you don't want to hold in your poo and wait as long as possible to go, because your stool actually hardens as it sits longer in your body. So that's why being physically active and flushing your system out more often and going right away is good. So I definitely tried not to strain and was methodical about when I would go, and thought about totally relaxing when I went. The last thing which can soothe hemorrhoids, and we don't have a bath, so I didn't get to try this, is taking a hot bath with some Epsom salts. That does tend to soothe the area. But for me, the main things that fixed the problems were the Kegels, the baby wipes, and really focusing on not straining when I went to the bathroom. So if you've experienced hemorrhoids or if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. I'm by no means a doctor, just going on my personal experience and also sharing what my doctor did say. And I document my whole pregnancy journey as well as health, fitness, and beauty topics. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to be documenting the baby and all of the experiences I have as a first-time mom. So we will look forward to